So while we were searching for a lot of investment properties, we came across Orbit Urban Park, and we had to choose this because of the amenities that they were offering. First is the prime location because of the locality that came up. While we were looking for other projects, we came up and the amenities that they had to offer, the parking facility, the wide layout, modern structure, it was all in one ecosystem that they offered us. They made us very comfortable, and they said that this entire thing is going into a very good thing. The investment will come out in a fruitful thing. So we invested here. We were looking for commercial property, but while we inquired here, there's also residential property that they have here. It's not only the building that they are giving us, it's with commercial property as well as residential properties and other amenities.
And moreover, like also they are coming up with the retail spaces and all kind of modern facilities that they are providing. So that made us think, go ahead with Orbit Urban Park, and like it will be a good investment coming with like the future prospect overall in this Newtown area. So we went ahead for our investment.
Orbit Urban Park came up with a vision. This property is not just, I would not say that this is a property, it's a emotion for me, because I invested here for my own dream, and now that I see this as a upcoming vision for me, 5-10 years down the line, this is what I think that I'll be doing something of my own in this space. 3 years back when I had booked this property, so our investment was in the right time, I would say, and I'm really thankful to Orbit Urban Park for coming up with this property and giving my dream a vision.
So I think the facilities that they are providing is top notch. So it will be like one of the landmark commercial projects in the future ahead.
The layout of the office is not only cubicle spaces or workspaces indoor, but rather they are providing workstation in the open nature in the podium. You want to work in an open environment connected to nature, so they are providing open cabanas in the podium. So I think that is what made me, select the office here.
So Orbit Urban Park for me is like modern and future ready.
Orbit Urban Park for me is a strong commercial potential with a lot of growth opportunities.